Okay, we've boxed up the circuitry for the Spirit Box portal.
Power on.
Switch the device on, and then at the top we just put, it's currently in Bluetooth mode, so you can connect your smartphone up to it if you just want to use it as a speaker, or you just press the mode and then it'll flick to the Spirit Box. So if you want to scan the stations again, just hold this down for 10 seconds. And then we'll start to scan and remember the stations now. So that'll take about 30 seconds. So as it's doing that, it plays a longer part of the stations and broadcasts that it picks up to form the snippets out of. So once it completes this process, you'll hear, then it will start to do the shorter snippets. So just let it progress through the scan. Actually really loud. So now it's starting to scan continually through the stations that it's locked onto, so you get a continuous stream of snippets.
This was just
I haven't.
So you can actually use an antenna on the back of a device. So when you do the store, so obviously the store is the initial circuit sweep is to hold that for 10 seconds. And so if you do that with an extended aerial and then you wish to take it out, then you can get more static noise within the sweep, so you can almost like desensitize it.
David, get.
I can't go.
And turn the box off at the back.